Hey, tech lovers, have you ever wished you could turn your smartphone into a powerhouse gaming PC? Well, guess what? With the advent of Windows 11, it's not just a pipe dream anymore. Okay, let's dive right into the nitty-gritty. First off, here's the scoop. Windows 11 has brought some serious enhancements to the table, including compatibility features that might just let your phone run it. Yes, you heard that right. But how, you might ask? Through a process called emulation. Emulation software like BlueStacks or Wine for Android can actually allow you to install and run Windows 11 right on your Android device. Now keep in mind, performance will vary depending on your phone's specs, so don't expect magic if you're not sporting a flagship model. Now let's talk gaming. Imagine playing titles like Age of Empires or even The Witcher 3 right from your phone. You'll need a good controller, of course, and maybe a stand for a comfortable setup, but it's totally doable. However, there's a catch. Not all games will run smoothly, and some might not run at all. It's all about trial and error and finding those sweet spots where your phone can handle the load. So, patience is key here. And before you rush off to transform your phone, remember, you're also going to need a solid internet connection, especially for downloading these games and potentially streaming gameplay. Oh, and keep an eye on your device's temperature. Heavy processing could turn your phone into quite the little heater. So there you have it, folks. Turning your phone into a gaming PC might sound like sci-fi, but with some tech savvy and a bit of tweaking, you can get a slice of PC gaming right in your palm. Are you ready to give it a shot? Let me know how it goes. Until next time, keep pushing the limits of what your gadgets can do. Catch you on the flip side.